Hi all, my name is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you about how we set up the CI using Jenkins on a local machine. So let's switch to Tosca. Okay, so now here I have an execution list that is CI execution list and I'll just go to the test configuration and right click over here and click on the create test configuration parameter and say continuous integration and keep the value as true. So this is the same execution list to which I have attached the test case which I need to run through CI. The test case, you can get it from here. In this test case, I've just used the open URL and search for the Tricentis Google. Okay. So now we need to firstly add a one test configuration parameter at the execution list level, that is continuous integration and value is true. And second is that we need to give another test configuration parameter and that to an execution lists folder, the folder which comes up to the up level of the this CI execution list. Okay, and right click and click on create test configuration parameter and this is continuous integration build root folder and value should be true. Okay, keep one thing in mind that C, I, B, R, F all should be in capitals, means the first letter should all be in capitals. So this is all that we need to do from the Tosca side. Just save it and now we can go to our client side. Okay. Here we just go through Windows C, in which where that our Tricentis home folder is present. So it is, in my case, it is C program files 86, and then in the Tricentis folder we have one folder as Tosca test suite. I'll just show you Tosca test suite, and here we'll go to Tosca CI folder, and here to the client. Okay, now here we'll find one configuration file of Tosca CI client.exe. We'll simply right click and edit with Notepad. Okay, now you can see that we have one workspace path which which value we need to enter here. As you can see, I have the workspace with the name of TQL, so I'll just find the path of it. Firstly, I'll close this Tosca. We don't need to keep it open. Okay. So now I'll go to my Windows C program Tosca projects, and here I'll go to Tosca workspaces, and here I'll find my TQL folder, which is this one. Okay, and I'll just copy this path. Okay, and sorry, simply go to my Notepad Plus and just paste it here. So no, it just opened up the this is the file. So we just need to give the path of that particular workspace here. So it's the same workspace that I have copied. So and the login name is admin and password is same blank for the admin. It's the blank password. Okay, so now I'll save that as I've already given the path. So I just no need to save, but you need to save it, and that too with the administrator rights. And if you have changed something, you just need to restart your IS also. Okay, now I'll close this file. Okay, after that I'll go to Jenkins and create one new job, say new item, like. Okay, so here I'll give the item name as a CI on local machine. For example, you can give it as per your requirements. Okay, so now here I need to give a description. This is the demo CI on local machine. Okay, so after this I will need to go to the build and add execute windows batch file. Okay, so now here we have to give the command. So the command will be like, we'll get it from firstly go to C program 68 Tricentis home folder Tosca test suite Tosca, Tosca CI here client, and we just need to give the path of this Tosca CI client. Okay, we just need to copy this particular file location, copy as path, and now we'll go to again go to Jenkins and just paste this, and after that space hyphen M stands for mode, in which mode you want to execute it, and say I want to execute it in the local mode, so I'll give the value as local. So you can also means if you want to get the results in a particular file, so you can add that command batch file command also, so that you'll get the results in a particular location as your requirements. Okay, now you can say apply and save. Okay, so now if you can see that you have this CI on local machine item already being built. So now you can directly go to it and say build now. You can directly build now from here. So this is the basic set that we need to do for the CI on our local machine. So this is all from CI on local machine. But thank you.